Now these cupcakes do not raise up like a dome like some cupcakes do, and there's nothing wrong with that. It's just the consistency is different and all cupcakes are different. So I want to put a lot of frosting on here though, since they are so flat. And I want a roughly frosting because of it being Valentine's Day and I want it to look pretty. So I have this large closed star tip, that's a Wilton star tip at the end of a bag, filled it halfway up with my Italian meringue frosting in a large piping bag. So how I'm going to do this, I want it to be real ruffly. So I just go real slow around it. So it's roughly going to go around the edge, real slow. And then just a little bit at the top like this. Now of course with red velvet cake, cream cheese frosting is usually what people do. I am not doing cream cheese frosting, but that could be another option you could do on these. Now that they are done, I am going to put sprinkles on them. And I decided I'm going to do different sprinkles. So some are going to have these really pretty bright pink hearts on them. These are little hearts, and I'm just going to put a few on some. I don't want to get too crazy with them, but just a little bit here and there. Then a few of the red sprinkles. And a few of the pink sprinkles. And that's all for those. And then now I'm going to take my fun fondant and have fun with those. So since they're pretty large, I just want to put them on the edge like this. Just kind of press it down. And then the O I'm going to put over here. So it's X and O for this. And then I have black ones too, so I'll do some X and O's in black. And I have some pink hearts. So like I'll put a heart here and a red heart maybe on this one. And just make them all different. And now I have these cute little boxes I wanted to show you. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope all of you have a wonderful Valentine's Day. See you next time.